Westinghouse, innovation you can be sure of.
The power of a traditional generator in an efficient portable package. This is the smart, versatile iGen 2200 digital inverter generator by Westinghouse. Designed with performance and efficiency in mind, the eco-friendly iGen 2200 uses a fraction of the fuel it takes to operate a traditional generator, yet delivers enough power to keep home essentials up and running during an outage. Plus, it's portable, perfect for tailgating, the campsite, or wherever your adventures take you. Be green and save green with the iGen 2200. At its core is a dependable, variable-speed OHV Westinghouse engine, allowing the iGen 2200 to automatically adjust engine speed, producing only the power you need, saving fuel and money. Designed to meet the highest emission standards, a convenient switch allows you to select efficiency mode for the most economical operation possible. The control panel features two 120-volt outlets, plus two USB ports. Digital inverters create a clean, stable power so you can safely operate sensitive devices like smartphones, TVs, and computers. And with up to 2200 peak watts, you'll have the power you need for larger household appliances and equipment. Need more power? Simply connect the iGen 2200 to a second Westinghouse inverter generator with the optional parallel cable, and the two units are ready to work as one. Inverters are quiet. The iGen 2200 can run at volumes around or below normal conversation, making it well suited for close quarters, power outages, camping, and tailgating. The powerful, eco-friendly, quiet, and efficient iGen 2200 digital inverter generator by Westinghouse. A smarter, greener solution for your portable power needs.